This activity will have students discover the general equation of a circle and how to identify the center and radius of a circle by exploring transformations on a coordinate plane. First, students will select E-activity from the menu. Then students will insert a geometry link. Students will then type this equation into the geometry link. So we have x minus 1 quantity squared plus y minus 1 quantity squared equals 4. Tap below the geometry link and insert a geometry strip. Now students will tap this button to turn on the axes and integer grid. Tap 3 times for the axes, scaling, and integer grid. Students will highlight the equation, drag, and drop into the geometry window. Students will then enter a new equation below the geometry strip. For now, we'll enter the same one that we had up here. We can do that by highlighting, dragging, and dropping. Now we'll highlight this equation, drag, and drop it into the geometry window. It's graphing the same graph. The unlinked equation will not change as we change the linked equation. So if we scroll down, we want to modify the linked equation to this one. We simply change the 1 to a 2, press EXE, and the transform circle graphs. Students will use this feature to help them fill out the rest of this table. Students will then answer some questions about the results they obtained from completing the activity. The worksheet then presents students with an extension and some practice problems. I hope you and your students enjoy and benefit from this activity.